Hello everyone, welcome back to Earners Empire. Let's build our own empire with money. So it's me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm gonna show you, how to crack the audio, GoTranscript audio question with the Steve question. So this is the general GoTranscript transcription guidelines. So before moving on to the video, you must remember to always, read the GoTranscript guidelines before proceeding with audio test. So this is just the basics. I'm not just gonna go into this. So because if I just go into this, it's going to become a big lengthy video. I don't want to make this video a lengthy one, so I'll just keep this video as short as possible. So you could just go and read the transcription guidelines yourself. It's available in the official GoTranscript website, and this is what the mail you receive after applying for your test job. There are actually two rounds in the GoTranscript job interview. So it's going to be one is going to be 10 objective questions, which is going to daily change, and then the next one is the audio test. And right now I'm just in the GoTranscript job for about like 3 months. So I could just give you assurance that the Steve question is the one which is most widely used. Like let's say they change their questions every 3 to 5 days. So every 2 weeks once or a week once, the Steve question is going to just the Steve audio is going to just keep on be repeating. And now I'm just gonna show you guys the proof of the mail from which I got accepted. Can you guys just see this application accepted? And if you just give the answers which I provide in the audio test, you're also going to get this mail to your inbox. You're also going to get selected. I can just assure you it. But there is a catch. There is a catch. There is a problem. The problem is not because of the solutions which I provide, but it is a problem related to the GoTranscript website. As I previously told, as I'm going to just keep this video as short as possible, I won't be able to explain the problem to you. But if you want to know more about the problem, I'll leave a video's link in the description below. So you just go and check it out. What is the problem related to the GoTranscript website? So, okay, let's just move on to the video. Before that, I'll show you two more proofs. This is the mails which I receive. See, the payments are generated. This is the GoTranscript jobs. GoTranscript only hires a few number of people every year. You just have to remember it. That was the problem which I told you before. So if you want to be the lucky ones, then you must definitely go watch what is the problem and catch with the GoTranscript website. So this is another proof of the GoTranscript website. You can just go. The specialty with the GoTranscript is that there are a lot of jobs available. So we just go and we could just click on this make my job button, and the job is going to be yours. You can just also listen to the audio sample and everything, but make sure to read the guidelines before. As I have seen people who got selected for the GoTranscript jobs because of the solutions which I gave, they got rejected in about a month, I guess, because they didn't follow the GoTranscript transcription guidelines. So these guidelines may be a bit tricky, but if you want details on the guidelines, I could post a separate video on that. Just leave your ideas in the comments. So now let's just there are actually three Steve. You just check here. There are actually three Steve audio test answers. So in this video, I'm gonna just show you this. I'll post two more videos showing Steve 2 and Steve 3. So this all three are right answers, but GoTranscript selects any one of those answers from time to time. So in this video, I'll just show you the overview of this, and I'll try to leave this Google Docs link in my description if I'm possible. I don't know if it's going to be possible, so I'll just try to leave this, or else I'll just post it in another website, and I'll just leave you the link. So right now, let's just go, not waste any time, and go into the video. So guys, uh, you know, Yeah, we both know that there is a usual approach that we post the speaker one and speaker two stuffs, right? But in this solution, I have used the speaker one interviewer Steve. So this was because there is a specific guideline which says that if we know the name of the speaker, then we just use their name. So this is where I'm using the Steve, and we obviously know this is the interviewer because Steve was attending an interview. So I just named this person as interviewer and this person as Steve. The speaker one is the person who tells this. This audio is used for the transcript test at GoTranscript, and at the end, this audio is used for the transcript test at GoTranscript. So, okay, we can just go into this. I don't know if you guys want me to read it aloud. If you wanted, you just leave it in the description. I could just read it from my next video. But in this video, as I'm going to keep it short, it's already 6 minutes since I started recording. Okay, so this in the speak one section we used to we must paste this, guys, and the one of the main thing is that you have to bold this. So that's what I told guys before, pasting this audio test. You just go, please read the guidelines. You must make some changes in this, like making this thing bold, and then making editing editings to this. You must post the timestamp over here, and those minor changes you'll have to do those. So I hope you guys have read this section. I'll just scroll down. Guys, it would be I forgot to tell you guys. Yeah, it would be great for me if you just leave a thumbs up below, and you could just subscribe and press the bell button near to the subscribe button. So it's useful for me. Guys, I'm just providing all this content, the original content. There are a lot of videos out there, but they provide fake content just for views. But I am providing the original solutions which I entered in my GoTranscript and which made me get selected. So but I'm doing this all for free. So if it could be helpful for me, if just leave a thumbs up and subscribe, on the bell button. It could be also nice if you just engage with my video by commenting and stuff. So okay, I'll not go out of content and just show the status output to you guys. There like I told you, you have to make some changes over here. This is because I lost the original solution file, and this is the backup file which I had, and in this backup file I made a few few corrections, like you people know that there are two types of verbatims, right? So this the is a full verbatim, but in the Steve audio test, they asked you to just post the solution in the clean verbatim. So you just have to change these. If you want to know more about what is clean verbatim, full verbatim, etc., all those stuffs, you just leave a comment in this video, so I could just post a separate video on those. Just check these spellings and this full verbatim text. This must also be removed in the clean verbatim. Guys, I don't think I'm just scrolling fast, but if you think I'm just scrolling fast, you could just I could post another video on this same Steven audio script. This all the three are actually verified ones, so you may not doubt me. I bet you're going to have a good news the same news which I got after pasting this out there. If I'm not able to paste the solutions, you may use something, some tools like Google Lens, to take the solutions out of the video. Yeah, these sort of full verbatim things must be removed. Remember, your audio test solution must be in clean verbatim. I repeat again, clean verbatim. If you don't know what is clean verbatim, just go Google it out, or I could just post another video. Yes, I hope I'll post the difference between clean verbatim and full verbatim, which is a very important thing you have to know if you are going to work as a transcriber. So I'll just show it to you again from the first, so the people who missed it, you could just go through this. Guys, before posting this, just go read the guidelines clearly. Okay, so I'm telling you again, just go read the guidelines very clearly. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and okay, let's go. Let's meet in the next video. And guys, I'm going to maintain a separate playlist for the GoTranscript solutions. So I'll also be leave the GoTranscript solution playlist in the description and also at the end card. So you just have fun. Bye.